So what's up guys, and another brand new video on the channel, and this video is going to be a fantastic video because I'm just going to show you that how you can set up this home screen setup on your Android home screens. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I always use the Nova launcher as the launcher of my home screen, and with which I use a wallpaper, very minimal wallpaper and very colorful from the Wallroid application, which is paid, and with which I uses icon packs from the AV icon packs, and with which I uses one widget from the Outline KWGT. So guys, all the apps links you will get in the description. So let's move out how you can set up this on your home screen. So guys, after setting the wallpaper and the icon pack, you just need to do one thing, that you have to click on the home screen and just go to the widget option. Now you have to find the slot of KWGT. So guys, after finding it, you have to just take the size of 4x2. Now just place it like this. You can also resize it if you want. So this is the perfect size that I use in this widget. Now you have to click on that and go to the Outline KWGT. Now guys, you have to select the widget number 157, and when you select it, you have to just save it like this. Now when you go to your home screen, you will look like this. So I'm just deleting it now. It's a tutorial that how you can set up this widget on your home screen. And guys, here for the icon I use is 90% size, so you have to just match it like this. So guys, after finding that you have completed all these steps, you will find that your home screens will look like this. So it's a unique, it's a minimal, and the wallpaper is so cool from the Wallroid application. So guys, in the last, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below that what type of home screen setups do you like the most. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.